Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. It is a beautiful early spring day here in Pennsylvania. All of our trees are starting to green up and blossom, and so the next couple days are supposed to be really nice. So I thought it would be a really good time to plant the blueberries I bought. So I picked up 4 blueberry plants. They are Blueberry, Duke, Legacy, and Blue Crop. And I don't know if you guys know this, but blueberries can get 6 to 8 feet tall, and these ones 4 to 7 feet tall. And so I thought they would make a really nice hedge around the chicken run. So we're gonna take these over to the chicken run. I'll show you where I want to plant them. And then I also have 3 that are over by my future greenhouse that I need to move as well. So we're gonna go and dig those ones up and move them over to the side of the chicken run as well. And then these guys will grow up to be nice and big and kind of provide a edible hedge around the chicken run, plus hide it a little bit because it's mostly mud and wood chips, so it's kind of ugly. So let's go grab a shovel and wheelbarrow and get these blueberries planted today.
Bye.
All right, so here is our chicken run. It did extend all the way over here, but we've made it a little bit shorter as we've decreased our flock size and are still decreasing a little bit. Hi guys. But we're gonna be planting the blueberries over here along this fence line here.
Is that why Daddy didn't seed this area?
And they'll grow and be a nice hedge for along this side of the chicken run. So here are the planting instructions for the blueberries.
I'm already digging.
If the roots are dry, it says to soak them, not submerge them, just the roots only. Dig a hole that's slightly larger than the spread of the root system, and then firm the soil around the roots and water thoroughly. But it also says that blueberries prefer well-drained acidic soil. I don't have a pH tester for my soil, so I'm probably just gonna mulch it with some pine mulch, and that should do it. And then it says to aggressively prune each year. But these guys are just little, so we won't be doing any of that this year. So let's go ahead and we'll soak all of the plants while we're getting our holes dug. Okay, so we got our hole dug. I made it nice and wide so all of this soil is nice and loose for the roots to push through. This is just our little, he's a little guy, so he doesn't need a big hole, and his roots were already wet, so we don't need to soak him. We're just gonna go ahead and plant him right away. But what I am gonna do is, because I don't know the quality of this soil here, I'm gonna take, well, it looks like mostly hay, but there's rabbit poo in this bag. So I'm gonna mix up some rabbit poo in with the soil here, and it's gonna make a really nice fertilized soil for our blueberry bushes to grow in. Rabbit poop is really good for your garden because it's not hot. It doesn't need time to mature or break down to be able to use in your garden. So it's a really great one to add into your garden soil when you're planting new plants. I got the 4 new ones planted. I just stuck a stick through their bag so I know what's what, so I can write it down in my garden journal. But these guys are ready for some mulch. I brought over a wagon of wood chips and sticks, and we're just gonna go ahead and give them a nice mulching over there. Hi, Soren. Now that these guys are planted and mulched, I'm going to put you guys can see, but a cage around them, because I really don't want these getting essentially eaten alive by my chickens, because a few of them do get out of the run. So this is basically just some chicken wire and a 3-foot T-post, and we're just gonna put it around the blueberry bush. Alright, so the 4 new ones that I bought are planted, mulched, and fenced off so the chickens can't get to them. I still have 3 more over by the greenhouse that need dug up, so let me go show you those, and then we'll get started on those ones. Alrighty guys, here is the greenhouse and the blueberries. There's one here, and believe it or not, there's one in this mess way down in here, and there's 2 over on this side. I've got one here and one here that's already leafing. So before I can do any work on the greenhouse that I want to do this year, I need to get those blueberries dug up and moved. I'm actually surprised that all of them are alive. I thought only 3 of them were, so I have 4 to move for a total of 8 blueberries this year. That's very exciting. So I am actually going to wrap it up here for the day, because I'm running out of daylight very quickly and I just want to get this done. So I will come back tomorrow and show you guys the finished result. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a couple days later, and I totally forgot that I didn't finish the blueberry video. So let me bring you guys over here and show you the finished blueberry row. So here it is, guys. I have 8 blueberries. We've had some really warm days. They're hard to see. There's one here. And there. And so they go all the way back to about there. I don't know if I'm going to continue and get a few more blueberries, but these will grow up to be 4 to 8 feet tall and just provide a nice kind of hedge barrier to hide the chicken run, because it's just bare. And then it'll also provide us some blueberries. I'm really excited to see how they grow in and fill in that space. And of course, I'm super excited for fresh blueberries, because who doesn't love fresh blueberries? Very excited for this spring. Alrighty guys, if you like my content, go ahead and hit the like button on your way out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you know when new videos are up. And thank you guys for watching as always. And remember to grow where you're planted.
Bye.